In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the AUSRV XL15E MKII. The first step in setting up your caravan is unhitching it from the vehicle, and there is a process you should follow when you do this. If you need to level the van from left to right, use a stepped ramp. It's a lot better than trying to lift the weight of the van with the stabiliser legs. Once you've got it level left to right, what you want to do is start unhitching from the vehicle. The last thing you do is disconnect the chains. You must leave the chains on until last. To unhitch it, disconnect the electrics and release the DA35 coupling by pressing the red button and sliding the lock back. The hitch will now release from the pin. Raise it up with the jockey wheel until it lifts off the pin itself. Because you've got the handbrake on and the chains connected, that van can't go anywhere if you've forgotten to chock it or the worst happens. Then you can release the breakaway switch. Take that off, then release the chains, and then use the jockey wheel to level the caravan from front to back. Once that's done, you can then go around and put down the stabiliser leg. Now it's time to put down the stabiliser legs. So grab your speed brace out of the van, and to lower the stabiliser legs, take the weight off at the foot end and pull the blue handle out. Lower it down, give it a wiggle so that blue handle locks back in securely. Then attach your speed brace. Wind it down, do that at all four corners. The next step I do is to drop the spare wheels down. I do this at this point to make it easy to get up and undo the roof latches. Each spare wheel has 3 locks, 2 over center latches and a pin through the base to secure it. So I remove the linch pins out of my over center locks, take both of them out and put them in my pocket so I don't lose them. Undo the latches, and now remove the R-clip from the pin. The R-clip's out. Remove the pin and my spare wheel will drop down easily. I can do that both sides. Now I can jump up on there and remove the latches off the roof. Now I can undo the latch, take the split pin out, drop that over, and do that at all 4 corners before raising the roof. Now I can pop the step out. To get the step out, there is a bar at the back behind the step that you need to push down and then pull the step forward. That easy. While you're here, you can put the roof up. Now, the roof switch is not a momentary switch. You have to press and hold it for the duration of the roof lift. This is for safety in case you forget to unlatch it or something. So pay attention and just press the button. The actuators have built-in limit switches, so once it gets to its full height, it will automatically cut off and you can release the switch. It's that easy. Now while I'm still here, I may as well put my awning out because I'm right near the switch and on the correct side of the caravan. To operate the awning, there is a master switch, which is basically on or off for the power, and the awning in-out switch. So switch on the power, flick the awning switch to open, and the awning will simply come out until it reaches its full opening length and then cut itself out. Then we simply put the legs down and the awning will be secure. If you've got wind, if it's a windy day, hang on to the awning. Make sure that the wind can never get control of it and damage it. Very, very important. But today's good, so as it starts to come out, I can release the legs for the awning and start putting them in their holders on the side of the van. As you do it, make sure that you fully pull the hinge end out before you release the leg out of its C-clip. That way it'll swing down easily and it won't foul and damage the hinge. Release the cam lock. Now, I can extend the leg up into position and go and do the other side. Again, making sure the hinge fully comes out of its position. Pop it out of the C-clip. And that's the awning done. Now we can fold out the bed section. To extend the bed section, undo the 3 latches across the bottom. And raise that up. The gas struts will hold it up into place. To open the wing panels, press the locks and move them out. To release the bed base, just step up onto the tyres, undo the 2 latches up the top and lower it down. Now it's just a matter of lifting the rear window section. It's on gas strut, so it's pretty easy. Up into position and put the top latches on. Now, for a bit of added security, you can actually padlock these to stop anyone opening up the back section and entering the caravan. That's done, we can fold our bed back out into position, arrange our pillows, and be ready to jump into bed. And that's how you set up the AUSRV XL15E MKII. For more information, download a copy of the owner manual from the MDC website and check out the other videos on our YouTube channel.